There's so many special places on Anglesey. Our coastline is absolutely fantastic. Ynys Llanddwyn is really unique. It's got everything. It's got wildlife, it's got amazing landscapes, it's got an amazing nightscape, and there's so much history here and heritage, and you can really feel that history as you walk around the island. It's one of my favourite places to come for wildlife, and of an evening it's just fantastic to come here and be able to look out across the Irish Sea and not see any light pollution at all until you catch Dublin over in the corner. Anglesey is a fantastic dark skies destination because there's loads of locations around the whole island, including Mynydd Paris, so Paris Mountain, up near Amlwch, Cemlyn, that kind of area, and also the centre of the island around Melyn Llynnon. There's some really good dark skies in our rural centre, and the west coast, so along from Aberfraw to Llanddwyn and Newborough, they're all really good places to come and look for dark skies. The island is very special in the fact that it's got some of the darkest skies left in the UK. So it's something that we're trying really hard to protect and enhance for our residents, for our visitors, and also for our fantastic wildlife.